got my shifter boot in today. I thought it was supposed to come in tomorrow, but it came in today. I got it from eBay. I paid about $47 and some change. It's a really good leather. I like it. Going to install it in the car, and we'll let y'all see the results or the final look in the car. And I'm going to install my shifter knob that I just dropped, that I had for a very long time. I'm fixing to put it back on. At first I had to shift the ball, only because I was teaching somebody how to drive manual, and they rather prefer to shift the ball over the shifter knob or whatever. But if you're looking to get the leather boot from eBay, I believe this is where they got it from, for sure. And also what I got in the mail too was my slip yoke. The original one in my car is actually leaking, I want to say, from this little seal here. So just in case I sell my Mustang, whoever buys it, if I sell it, when they drive out of the driveway, they don't have to see no transmission fluid leaking from the drive shaft. Plus I have another one of the drive shafts, so that's why I also want to replace it. Nothing wrong with this, it's just a 20-plus-year-old car. So therefore I am actually going to take this to the car and get it installed and see if everything lines up, because I'm trying to figure out the silver plate is gonna actually sit in the shifter. But yeah, I will get back to y'all here in a little bit. Oh, okay. Pop this off. Okay, maybe it doesn't want to. Oh, there it goes. Kind of sucks when you only got one hand to do stuff, because your boy over here doesn't bring his GoPro with him, which sucks. If you're wondering where I got this from, I got it from some kind of little box, because my original leather boot kind of was old and ripped, and I thought I'd put this in. So yeah, see how this goes. Sorry, I'm all out of alignment. So I need to remove this shifter ball here, which I think it's under here. Yeah. Oh man, it was already loose. Look at that. Yep. Let me go ahead and loosen this up. Man, I'm talking about putting some, I need to put some Loctite on that. Ugh. What the? Huh. What do you know? Doesn't fit. Let me get to y'all. I mean, whatever. Let me get back to y'all. Okay. Well, just to know, let's let y'all know that if y'all decide to get a shifter boot from eBay, and if y'all running an MGW shifter, that this little leather boot hole in here is going to be kind of hard to fit over the shifter. So just to let y'all know, give y'all fair warning, but it fits. Only thing is that I grabbed the wrong Allen to tighten my shifter, my shift knob, but it fits. I just need to probably pick this up more, because it's pretty far away, but I think once I screw it in, it should be good to go, which, yeah, should be about right there, but I just need to get the coyote. And if you're wondering why I have a coyote on my shifter knob, it's because I was on a coyote swap my Mustang, but I ended up doing forged internals. instead. So it is what it is. So let me go ahead and put this carbon fiber shifter bezel in here, and I'll get back to y'all. All right, guys. So I didn't do a little install because, I mean, these things are pretty easy to install. So I did change out the little coyote thing in here. But the only thing I did, alright, I take that back. The only thing I have a complaint about is that my little cigarette lighter, this hole's too big, so I gotta find some kind of grommet in there to actually put the lighter, cigarette lighter port or whatever it's called in there. But this is pretty much, I mean, the shifter boot needs to kind of be glued to the carbon fiber. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I think it looks good like that. And the leather boot is actually pretty decent. Well, actually, I take that back. I know this video is not going to do any justice, but the shifter boot is actually nice. I actually love it. Good quality. It's perfect. The only thing is, like I said, I gotta somehow glue it up here or figure it out. But yeah, the carbon fiber comes with little clips that I like. Let's see, it's pretty easy to take out. Like I said, I'm assuming that I had to either one, glue this to the back of the bezel here, just for this to be up. But other than that, it's decent. I like it. I love it. I wouldn't, yeah, it just needs to be popped up here. That's about it. Like I said, I'm still waiting for Carbon Driven to put the radio bezel on their website. If not, like I said, I probably gonna have to order it from Cruz's Performance, and hopefully it comes in on time before Mustang week. I got, like I said, I know I repeat myself, I got the carbon fiber steering wheel coming in from Zen Carbon. Got my rims coming in. What else? I think that's about it. I need to install the yoke on my drive shaft, slip yoke in my drive shaft, because I'm leaking transmission fluid. I do have a new clutch, new flywheel. Oh, and I'm going to paint the inside of this black. Like I said, to me, I feel like the carbon fiber makes the car stand out inside, especially with the black boot. It actually brings out the car. Oh, I need to get new pedals down there, new gas pedal and brake pedal and clutch pedal. But that's about it, guys. I mean, if y'all ever thinking about getting carbon fiber pieces for the car to make the S95 Mustang new edge stand out, I would recommend doing it. That's just my preference. It gets kind of boring, but not everybody can do it. I understand. You know, if y'all thinking about getting a shifter boot, yeah, like I said, you can find them on eBay. I paid like $47 and some change for this one. I don't know how long Carbon Driven is going to have their sale on their shifter bezel, but if y'all looking to get one, I think, like I said, I bought it for $139. Usually goes for $169. Material's great. The little hole, like I said, in the little cigarette lighter port thing, it's a little big, but I need to find a bigger grommet for it so I can stick it in there. Like I said, I probably have one laying around in my shop somewhere. Just gotta look for it, be nosy, stare around. Look around and probably find it. But that's it. That's it, guys. Hopefully the next video I post will be the steering wheel. Oh, and yes, I got my Spintech exhaust muffler. Those are Roush. exhaust coming out the side. So I do have the Roush rocker panels. A lot of people keep asking me about, am I gonna hook up my side exhaust? Yes, I am. I just need to get it in the mail, which I don't know. Due to the holidays, I'm pretty sure shipping is pretty bad. But like I said, if you're thinking about getting some carbon fiber, go for it. If not, hey, you know, save some money. That's it, guys. I'll see you on the next one, man.